Hello from Ogs Mechanics workshop. Today we've got an Audi Q7. Customer has dropped it in for few noises and the fact that it smells gases inside the cabin. First of all is a noise on a startup, which we have quickly identified as being the timing chain stretch. Timing chain usually make noise for a few seconds on the startup and then it quietens down. This is a sign of a stretch chain, and it has to be treated as soon as possible, really, because it could end up into a total failure. The chain can break and then cause massive damage to the engine. Um, on top of that, we got a noise coming from the water pump, and we've got one of the injectors leaking. And I want to show you on the side of the engine how you can see. So in there's quite significant carbon. Let's see. And there's also puffing noise coming from there. And we have here on top of that a water pump noise, a noise coming from the front end of the engine. Again, a glimpse in our activity here. We'll be starting soon to dismantle to get a timing chain replaced. And I said a glimpse in our activity where we perform the services starting with general servicing, but also more comprehensive tasks like engine rebuilding, diagnostic coding programming at dealer level. Ogs Mechanics is one stop for all your vehicle needs.